What's up, babes? So today's video I will be collaborating with Nail Addict. They was nice enough to send your girl over 7 gel nail polishes. So if you guys want to see all the tea when it comes to these polishes, stay tuned. As I mentioned before, Nail Addict did send your girl over 7 gel nail polishes. It did come packaged in this box, just something plain and simple. As y'all can see, I already have one of the polishes already on my nails. I did have this set on for about a week now, so I can give you guys a little 1 week update. I'm going to let you guys know the polishes that they sent over and talk a little bit on what I think about the polish. So like I did mention, it did come in this simple box. It did come with the polishes like so in the box. The first polish that I pull out the box is called Endless Night. This is a glitter nail polish. The next glitter polish is Kiss Me Now. This is actually the color that I do have on my nails. And the last glitter polish is Dare to Shine. The next 4 polishes that I did get, they are not glitter polishes. They are just solid color polishes. This polish is called Aqua Blue. The next polish is called Happy Birthday. I'm not too sure if I'm saying this next polish right, but it's called Mon Sherry. And last but not least, the last polish is called Purple Addict. And that is all the polishes that I did receive. Now, some of the things that I do like about the polishes is I like the simple fact that they have like a little sample of the color on top of the polishes. I don't know if you guys can see that, but every single polish have a sample of the color up top. So if you want to see how the polish look, you don't even have to waste your time trying to open up the bottle. It do have the color up top. Another thing that I like about these polishes is they actually have names. So say my favorite color is Kiss Me Now. I could just go to the Nail Addict website, put in the search bar Kiss Me Now, and the nail polish would pop up. Another thing that I did like about the polishes is for 15 milliliters, I was really shocked to see how big these polishes were. And I do like the fact that it do come in a glass container. I'm gonna insert a little clip on when I went to the nail salon and got my nails and feet done. Harmony did get her nails done as well. And I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about the polish. My nail girl Rachel, she was really shocked on how the nail polish looked. She fell in love with the glitter nail polish. Like I said, I do have Kiss Me Now on my nails and on my feet as well. Harmony did get the same color, but she was really shocked to see how beautiful and pigmented, I hope I'm using the right term, but she was shocked to see how pigmented the glitter was in the nail polish. Now, when she did do my toes, she did do 4 coats because she wanted that glitter to actually stand out and actually pop on my feet. I did ask her if the nail polish was like glumpy or clumpy. She did say no, the nail polish was perfectly fine. It went on very smooth, so it was a smooth application, she said. To my surprise, the nail polish does not smell strong at all, really. To me, it kind of have like, I don't know how to describe it. It don't smell like nail polish. It have more of a scent to it, but it's not like a nail polish scent to me. Like, you know, when you smell nail polish and it smells really strong, these polishes don't smell like that at all. Now, she did recommend that whenever I take a shower or I take a bath, or if I just dip my feet in water, to make sure that, you know, I dry my feet really good, just so my nail polish do not crack on my feet. So I did have my nail polish on my feet for, now that I'm thinking about it, it's been almost 2 weeks now, and I haven't received any type of chipping or any type of peeling when it comes to the gel nail polishes on my feet. Now, these gel nail polish, they are 15 milliliters. Like I said, I was really surprised because to me, they look kind of big. I did ask him what he thought about the brush application. He said the nail polish went on very smooth. He didn't have any issues when applying the polish to my nails. Now, onto my acrylic set. Like I said, I done have my nails on for about a while now. This time around, I was not skeptical about putting my hands in bleach. My nail polish have not turned. I've been washing dishes, I've been cleaning, you know, doing all types of things that a mom does, and I have not gotten any type of chipping, any type of peeling when it comes to the gel nail polishes on my nails. Now, for my nails, Tom only did 2 coats, and he was actually surprised. When he did see my feet, he was like, oh my gosh, that color is beautiful. Like, he was so excited, and like, he was just so like shocked how beautiful the color was. Now, I was gonna get like a simple diamond design on my middle finger, but I didn't want to take away of how the polish looked, because the polish is just so pretty. I get so many compliments, even though my nails are simple. Like, I'm a very simple girl when it comes to my nails, because I don't really keep my nails on long. But lately, I've been doing pretty good, been keeping my nails on pretty long. The shape of my nails are coffin shape. I believe for me, they are not too short, they are not too long. They is just the perfect size. The next color that I'm so eager to try out is this Aqua Blue. I think this blue is so freaking pretty. It's just so cute. This would definitely make a bomb summer color. So honestly, I cannot wait to try more of these colors out. I don't know, for some reason I'm just gravitating to all the glitter colors. The glitter colors, they just like stand out to me more. They're just so pretty. I don't know, maybe because they have something to do with the holidays, but I am really enjoying the glitter colors. These gel nail polishes come in way more than just 7 different nail colors. On their website, they do have different colored gel nail polishes. They have bundle deals, so you can get different type of bundle deals when it comes to the polishes. They have UV lights, they have LED lights, they have so much on their website. So I do recommend that you ladies or gentlemen go ahead and check out Nail Addict. And if you find anything that you want to snack up, I want you guys to make sure you use the code DIVINE. I'm gonna leave it down below on the screen so you guys can get 50% off your order. In another week or 2, I will be doing an updated shorts video for you guys, so you guys can know how my Nail Addict gel polish is holding up. That is going to be it for this video. And if you enjoy videos like this and you want to see more nail polish reviews, don't forget to hit that like button as well as hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so when I do drop videos, you guys won't miss it. But that is all that I have for now. I hope you guys stay safe. Please stay safe. So much is going on, but please stay safe. Be blessed. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. Peace.